Welcome back to the Ragged Reno. This week, Jessica and I have been talking about different types of heat sources and doing a ton of investigation. We've been looking at in-floor hydronic, we've been looking at air-to-air versus air-to-water versus water-to-water, geothermal. All of this is really interesting research because we always want to be nice and toasty warm because, as you know, we're gonna have a whole bunch of windows facing the river and there's gonna be tons of wind coming off that river, so we gotta make sure we stay warm. Now, the added element that we're really keen on is finding some sort of a feature to be put into our living room. A feature like maybe a gas insert or an electric insert, or maybe even a wood stove. So we talked to our friends, Monica and Steve from Acre Architects, to see what they thought. And the response was an invite to an undisclosed cabin in the middle of the wilderness of New Brunswick. And this is how it went down. So in this cabin, there's plenty of music to be played off the 1980s blaster. And of course, there was plenty of dancing. There were puzzles.
Stop it, Daddy.
And we brought our kids.
Stop it, Daddy.
And of course,
the sausages.
The sausages. There was burnt popcorn.
Oh, it's black inside.
There was wood to be thrown into the wood stove. Many memories were made that night, and so was our decision. You see, the wood stove for me, when I was growing up, was a central part of our family gathering. We would always get around the wood stove to play games and to talk and catch up, and that's memories for me. So for myself and for Jessica, we had the shared experience and we want to have a wood stove. Hearing that crackle of wood burning in your wood stove and smelling that beautiful smell of wood smoke coming out of your chimney. So stay tuned in future episodes to see where we end up deciding to go for a whole heat solution. So thanks for joining us on this really awesome adventure, the Ragged Reno.